was fake.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video from here on my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. We thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate it. Goodbye. Let's get into the video.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, on today's video we'll be looking on the budgie. Specifically we'll be looking on the budgies in the flight cage. Now guys, if you look on the screen, you'll see that there are fewer birds in the flight cage compared to the last video that I showed of them. So if you don't remember, the last video is when they were taking a bath. I'm sure no one could have said a lot more birds than this did in the cage. So anyway, last week I go home guys. After I done do all of the video and everything, I went home I think for the weekend. And guys, when I look at this machine, how the tea bird then. Above you know me this all two or so a few of them, you know. So guys, they have gone on to better homes, to newer homes or to new homes, and I hope that whoever has purchased them from the pet shop will take good care of them, as they are indeed very good birds, and it was sad to know that they are not here with us, or we're not their owner anymore. But sometimes we have to lose in order to win. So as you can see, we have actually just 3 birds, 3 budgies in the flight cage. Then I'm gonna take them out, and then we still have the one black mass, that sickly black mass that we keep in there with them. Yeah, so in all there's just 4 birds in the cage, and I think I need to change them. I'm gonna take them out and put them in a different cage. As that's a bit big for just the 4 of them. Honestly, so honestly, I think I should put them in another cage. Anyway guys, we're gonna cut this for me, you know, but do share the video. Remember to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell to be notified each video.